Dialing and Friendliness, Mastering Informal Calls. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our video on mastering the art of informal calls. Whether it's a chit-chat with friends or a casual conversation with family, good telephone etiquette is crucial. So, let's dive in and explore some role-playing scenarios to help you hone your skills. In contrast to formal calls, informal calls tend to be more relaxed and personal. The language used is casual and there are fewer rules to follow. That said, you still need to show respect and consideration. Let's discuss some key features of informal telephone conversations. 1. Greeting. Casual greetings like, hey, hi, or hello, are commonly used. 2. Introduction. If the person doesn't know your voice, quickly introduce yourself. 3. Purpose of the call. State your purpose clearly, but you can be a bit more playful and less direct. 4. Casual language and slang. You're allowed to use everyday language, idioms, and slang in informal calls. 5. Closing. End the conversation in a friendly and warm manner. Now, let's look at 2 different scenarios and see how these conversations might look. Scenario 1. Catching up with a friend. You. Hey, it's me. Got some time to chat? Friend. Of course. What's up? You. Nothing much. Just wanted to catch up and see how you're doing. Scenario 2. Arranging a family gathering. You. Hi Mom. It's me. How about a family barbecue this weekend? Mom. That sounds lovely, dear. Let's do it. You. Great. I'll bring the salads. Can't wait to see you. In these scenarios, notice the casual language, the friendly tone, and the clear communication of intent. Practicing is key to improving your telephone etiquette. Try out these exercises. 1. Call a friend and invite them to a virtual movie night. 2. Contact a family member and share a funny story from your day. 3. Leave a voicemail for a friend, expressing how much you miss them. Remember, be natural, relaxed, and respectful. And that's a wrap for this video on mastering informal calls. We hope you found these role-playing scenarios and exercises helpful. Keep practicing and soon, you'll be handling informal calls with absolute confidence. Catch you in the next video.